In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set access and permissions in your hierarchy in ClickUp. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to control who can see and edit work as you move through your space down to an individual task. Start in ClickUp and look to the left side of your screen. That sidebar is your navigation hub. From there, open Spaces. Spaces are the top level of your hierarchy, and they help you group teams, departments, or major initiatives. Once you're in the right space, drill down to a task you want to manage. Remember, permissions can be set at different levels, but adjusting them on a task gives you precise control for that specific piece of work. With the task open, go to the top right and click Share. This opens a sharing panel where all access decisions happen. If you're granting access to a teammate, you can type their email in the invite field. This sends them access directly to this task without exposing anything else in your space that they don't already have permission to view. It's a great way to keep collaboration focused and secure. If you need to collaborate with someone outside your workspace, use the option to share a link with anyone. This creates a link you can send to a stakeholder or client who doesn't have a ClickUp account. Use this when you need quick visibility without adding someone to your workspace. For more control, keep the link private. A private link restricts access, so only people you specifically invite can open the task, even if the link is forwarded. This is the safer choice when the task contains sensitive details or internal notes. Next, set the default permission for anyone who opens the link or for those you invite. Default permission determines what people can do the moment they gain access without you having to tweak each person individually. Now, choose the exact level you want. Click on Full Edit and pick the permission that fits. Full Edit allows people to change fields, update statuses, and modify details. Comment lets them leave feedback without altering the task. And View only gives read-only access. When in doubt, start with View or Comment and upgrade later if needed. Reserve Full Edit for trusted collaborators who truly need to make changes. That's it. By navigating to your space, opening a task, using the share panel, and selecting the right link privacy and permission level, you keep your hierarchy secure while making collaboration effortless.